Hey lovelies, if you are returning, as always, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I've got a drink that I usually mix together to just fill a gap when it's really hot and I can't be drinking too much of the box drinks because I don't know what's going on, but they're not cut out for me. But anyway, so I've got here double strength summer fruits. It's kind of like a mixed drink, so squash, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And I've got double strength lime. These are both from Tesco's, but you can get them from other supermarkets as well. You can get the summer fruits and the lime one. So I'm just going to add to my measuring jug 200 ml of the summer fruits. Dilute. Guys, if you don't want it as sweet as I'm doing it, that's fine. You can literally add more water to it or add extra ice or whatever you want to do. That's totally up to you. I know some people like their drinks sweeter than others. And then I've just added to another measuring jug 100 ml of the double strength lime dilute. I've got a bowl of mint leaves here that I'm just soaking in some water. I've washed them off already, but this is just to make sure that any insects or anything that might have been sitting in them have come out. So I'm just going to pour that off, give it another rinse, and then add them in. Okay, so I'm just adding them in. So these are fresh mint leaves from the garden. If you don't have a mint plant in your garden, that's fine. You can buy the mint leaves in the pack in the supermarkets. You could probably get them at your off license now. I'm just going to add these bottled waters in. So there's 3 bottles of 500 ml, so 1.5 litres. Like I said, you don't have to add this much if you don't want. You can always cut the recipe in half. But this is a good one for when you have a lot of people around, or you've got the family around, or it's a really hot day and the children and adults are drinking a lot. And then you literally just want to add your ice in. And that's it. There you go. So you can mix in your mint if you want to. However, it's not a necessity because the mint, the mint will flavour the drink anyway. So you can just leave it like that, or you can mix it in. If you want to break up your mint leaves, that's totally fine. That's up to you. Just bear in mind, if you do that when you are pouring out the drink, chances are you'll get a few mint leaves that you will have to swallow along with your drink, which can be slightly unpleasant. So just bear that in mind. But guys, that's it. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share it. If you've got any comments, any suggestions, and when you try the recipe, you can always just leave a comment below and say how it went for you. So that's it guys. See you on the next one.